I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Binance chart. First, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. Once logged in, find the trade option in the top navigation bar and select Spot from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the main trading interface where you can begin customizing your chart. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll want to select your trading pair. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of available pairs. Simply click on the one you wish to analyze, like Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Then, choose your chart type from the toolbar above the chart itself. Candlestick charts are popular for detailed price action. Finally, adjust the time frame to suit your analysis, perhaps to a 15-minute or daily view. Now, let's enhance your chart with indicators and drawing tools. Click the Indicators button, usually represented by a small icon, to open a menu of technical analysis tools. You can add popular ones like the Relative Strength Index or Bollinger Bands. On the left sidebar, you'll find drawing tools to mark trend lines, support, and resistance levels. Remember to customize the settings of your chosen indicators for optimal analysis. Finally, to streamline your trading experience, consider saving your chart layout. This feature allows you to quickly load your preferred indicators and drawing tools without setting them up each time. Binance also offers advanced features, such as viewing multiple charts simultaneously or accessing the order book depth. Familiarizing yourself with these options and hotkeys can significantly improve your efficiency and analysis on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.